We ditched today Kananaskis. Smog got even worse. We're in the parking lot of Whistler's Mountain or Jasper SkyTram, and we're going to go up there and we'll try Indian Ridge today. Let's hope we can get some nice views today. Okay, yeah, here it starts. We just landed from the Jasper SkyTram and we'll be going up that way to Whistler's summit and beyond, hopefully to do Indian Ridge. We were hoping for clearer skies, that's why we ditched today Kananaskis, because it was supposed to be very smoky there and clear skies here. But we didn't luck out and we have this smog around that kind of hides a lot of views. Well, anyways, we'll try with the hike and see where we get there. Are you ready, Bozena, to see smoky views? Those are the probably little detours. You can go and see some views. Well, since there are no views, we'll just go straight up. So this section of the hike is quite busy, lots of people. So this is Indian Ridge. We will not be going along the ridge, but that's the summit that we are hoping to reach today. So let's see how that goes. What is this? Yeah, you can see all the mountains identified where they are.
Which is ours?
Indian Ridge. Yeah, that's where we'll go.
And it's right there.
Yeah. And while we're at that, we'll go check out Whistler Summit. And that's where we go. So it seems like that will be intersection where the other short route goes up there, but our route will go left. So this part is a little bit of downhill, something that we'll have to climb back. And despite the smog and not clear views, hazy views, it's still beautiful here. Oh, there's one more downhill. Okay. So here it starts, the big uphill. Oh, I don't know, because it's steep. Yeah, it's only Bozena, me, and one more person on this trail. Nobody else is coming here. This is a beautiful place. I can just imagine all these mountains hiding in that smog. You can see some glacier there. So it seems like trails going on the side of this hump. Look at these flowers. Beautiful. Ooh, that is steep. So, seems like the trail is a little bit zigzagging. This hike seems very intimidating when you look at this gray, grim mountains and the smog. But as we climb, there are those sections where a little bit flat. So you kind of go one little elevation piece at a time with breaks in between. App shows that we are about 500 meters to the destination. So that's the final peak. So we will go as far as we can see the trail up to the snow, and then we'll make decision. Okay. Ateik čia. Jeigu eini, lipk į viršų. Aš galvoju, mums reikia šitų pralipti per tos didelius akmenis, o paskui tenai jau solidus akmenys yra. Čia yra tik... Kodėl? Mes galime už jų laikytis ir lipti viršų. Nes yra solidus akmenys, ant kurių padėti kojas, ir solidus akmenys, į kuriuos įsikibti. Nulipti. Nulipti, šitaip ir lipsim, atsitūpusios. Toliau. Va, ant šitų akmenų.
Reikia, ne? Jau tik, kad reikia taip.
Nu va, biškį paskremblinai.
Nu jo, į viršų žiauriai kitaip atrodo. Bet žemyn.
But hey, we had a little adventure, right? Galim užlipti į tą kitą. Nuo tako aukščiau palipti ir pavalgyti. I think that's where we're gonna have lunch. Just go up and it will be just some views, whatever views we get, and we'll have our break and then we'll head back to the SkyTram. Those are our lunch views. So that was a fake peak and real lunch. Now we have to rush to get to the SkyTram. I think we are late now. We have less than 2 hours left and quite a bit to go. It's a little bit steep here. We're almost there. A little bit down over this little hump and all the way there. Now they're uphill. Smog got even worse on that side. Last uphill.
Yep.
Let's see if we catch our flight.
Otherwise we're gonna hike down.
That's a possibility. "15 minutes left to our flight. We can make it."
Likes to whistle at you.
It was huge.
Yeah. Little taps on the side, just the guide rails guiding us back. Once we dock, we're gonna wait for that buzzing sound, and then we'll let you out. Just watch your step.
Thank you. Oh, so we are back to the parking lot. Done our flight and hike. We didn't finish to the top of Indian Ridge, but we're still proud of ourselves. Yeah, right. It was great hike. Even though the views were hidden, it was still beautiful and it's still worth it. So I think it was a good day. Very good. Yeah, it was a very good day.